So right now is a great time to start planning to pull permits and plan out your projects for the spring because it's typically in the spring we get extremely busy. A lot of contractors and homeowners and everybody are thinking about the projects and the nice weather that they want to get done. Our permits last for 6 months and they're easily renewed for another 6 months. The permit process can be complicated in some scenarios and it can extend up to a month or possibly even longer. That is one of the reasons why we do recommend pulling a permit now. So when we're inspecting decks, we're primarily looking for code compliance. The building code helps us ensure the safety and welfare of all the inhabitants around it. We're looking to see that it's adequately connected to the house or freestanding so that it doesn't cause any other hazard to the existing structure. So some common mistakes that homeowners make is that they don't recognize the size of the project or the scale of the project that they're attempting to do, and they may not be qualified to do that work. That's where it's important to hire a licensed contractor who can help assist with that. Other problems that DIYers may make if they're specifically using the deck detail, they may not fully read or understand all of the instructions. The county is available. You can email us, you can call us, and we're happy to answer any questions. So before a homeowner builds a deck, they need to know that they can't just build a deck. They need to apply for a permit. They need the plans, the plat, and any kind of details on how that deck is being built. Also, we are currently in the process of rolling out a new software called Plus. This is a county-wide program that will encompass all applications.